Hello friends and welcome back to Abhicoder Creative Mind. In this video we are going to see that how we can install OpenOffice on our Windows machine. First of all, we are going to see that how we can install it from our browser and then from Microsoft Store, and at last we are going to see that how we can install it from our computer system if we need to. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started with today's video.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
First, let's see how we can install OpenOffice using our browser. So first of all, go to a search and search for Chrome or any other browser. Now in the search bar, search for OpenOffice download for Windows or simply OpenOffice download. Now you will get the first link of Apache OpenOffice official download. You can directly click on the download button. Now you can see this is the download page. First of all, select Windows. You can see for Windows only 32-bit exe is available, so download it. Now select your language, preferred language, and then the latest version will already been selected. Now click on download full installation. It will take you to SourceForge website. Now you can see here your download will automatically start in 5 seconds. Yeah, it has started. So it will take some time to install as SourceForge is the download speed is very low. So to save the time of this video, I have already downloaded this exe file. So I will go to my system's download. You can see I have this. Now let's double click on it. It will ask for administrative permission. Allow it. Give it a yes. Now click on next. Now the path is selected and you can see the storage. Now click on install. So it will take some time, not much, but it has installed. Now we'll click on next. Now enter your username and organization name if any, or else you can enter anything here. In this case I am entering my channel's name, Abhicoder. Now you can change this and you can click on next. Finally you can select for all not custom and click on install. Finally it will install it on your system. Let's wait for it. So it's ready. OpenOffice is finally in our system. Now let's check it. Let's search for OpenOffice. However, the shortcut was available on the desktop. Okay, so you can see this. I'll click on open. It has started. Yeah, you get every option. OpenOffice text, calc, database, which is base, impress, everything. See, so this is the Excel file, means I'm in calc. You can see how it works. It's working well. Everything is well and good. It's functional. It's a great spreadsheet software. You can use it as an alternative of MS Excel. So this was how you can install it from your browser. If you are unable to do this with the first step, let's see how we can do it using Microsoft Store. First of all, open your Microsoft Store and then go to the search box and search for OpenOffice. Click on Apache OpenOffice. Here you can see this is the genuine one. Now click on install. This process is much more convenient than the first one and it's easy to install with just one click. It is going to take some time, so just sit back and relax. And it's ready finally. It's installed now. You can see. Now let's close it and test it. You can see the shortcut is available. If you run it, then yeah, the OpenOffice is opening. See, there you can see all the options are available now. Now let's see how we can install it. To install it, the process is a bit different. You will have to go to the installer file again. By the way, the process is opposite here. Now click on the installer file as you want to install it. Give the administrative permission as yes. Now click on next and then next again. Now finally it will detect that OpenOffice is already there. Click on next, and from here you will get the option to repair, modify or remove. So click on remove and then click on finish. Now it is going to remove OpenOffice from your system. I don't know why I didn't find any option to do this using the control panel the classic way as we do to remove other softwares. So this is the only way, I guess, to remove this. If you know another way, then please let me know in the comment. It will help me boost my knowledge. And yeah, you have seen right now my file explorer was transparent, and if you want to know that how we can make it transparent for Windows 10 and Windows 11, then let me know in the comments. I will surely make a video on it, surely. Okay, so you can see the installation process is completed, has been completed. It's going to take some time, and yeah, it's ready, it's installed. So that was how you can install using two ways and uninstall OpenOffice. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye. And it takes a lots of effort to create one video, so your one like will help us very much. And please subscribe to our channel to receive daily notifications. Thank you, bye bye. See you in the next video.